Congratulations on making a sustainable choice with RVMplus. Every bottle or can you recycle earns you RVMplus Points. Every recyclable item is worth 5 cents, so your impact adds up fast. You can redeem your rewards instantly at the RVMplus Redemption Vending Machine, located right next to an RVMplus reverse vending machine. To redeem, simply browse the available items and select the one you'd like. When prompted for payment, simply scan your RVMplus Redemption QR code from the app to complete the redemption. And that's it! You've just turned your recycling efforts into something rewarding. Keep recycling, keep earning, and keep making a difference with RVMplus.